How to fix Instagram DMs problem or messages problem easily and fast on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is simple. Scroll down, go to the apps right here, and then all what you have to do is go to apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is search for Instagram, and when you find it like this, click on it and then click on force stop. And after that, all what you have to do is go to the storage and click on this clear data option, and then go back and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.